Welcome back to Reviewsinsidetv, where we take a closer look at the latest in home gadgets. Today, we're going hands-on with a vacuum that promises a whole lot of convenience and power. This is a cordless vacuum cleaner that might just change the way you clean your home, featuring a 600-watt motor, 50 kPa suction power, and up to 65 minutes of runtime in eco mode. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. This vacuum cleaner is designed to tackle a variety of surfaces, from carpets to hardwood floors with ease. The 600-watt motor, combined with a whopping 50 kPa of suction power, makes it capable of pulling up even the most stubborn dirt, pet hair, and debris. Whether you're cleaning up the crumbs from your kitchen floor or lifting embedded dirt from a carpet, this vacuum can handle it all. But we're not just talking about sheer power. This vacuum is all about precision as well. The inclusion of a HEPA filter ensures that it captures up to 99.99% of fine dust and allergens, which is a win for those dealing with allergies. But power isn't everything, right? So let's talk about how it handles the actual job. The 65-minute runtime in eco mode is solid, but the real standout here is the ability to switch to max mode when you need extra suction. While max mode only gives you about 15 minutes of cleaning, it's great for those tougher messes. The removable battery is also a huge plus, and if you want to extend that cleaning time even further, you can pick up a spare battery. The fact that it can be charged separately means you don't have to be stuck waiting for the whole vacuum to recharge. Speaking of charging, the wall-mounted charging dock is a game changer. After a cleaning session, just place the vacuum in the dock and it charges automatically. Plus, it keeps everything neat and organized, so no more dealing with tangled cords or finding a place to store the vacuum. One feature that definitely stands out is the self-standing design. Unlike some stick vacuums that always seem to tip over when you pause in the middle of cleaning, this one can stand on its own, making it so much easier to put down and pick up without it falling over. The self-standing brush head is a thoughtful touch, and it's perfect for those times when you need to take a quick break or store the vacuum in tight spaces. Now let's talk about the smart touchscreen and auto mode. The auto mode intelligently adjusts the suction based on the type of floor, which means you don't have to manually change settings every time you move from one surface to another. If you prefer more control, the manual mode lets you switch between eco, mid, and max modes with just a tap on the LED touchscreen. It's easy to use and offers a clear battery level readout, plus alerts for maintenance. When it comes to cleaning performance, the vacuum's anti-tangle roller brush is a standout feature. It does a great job at preventing hair wrap, which is a common frustration with vacuums, especially if you have long hair or pets. Not having to constantly stop and untangle hair from the brush roll is a huge time saver, and it makes cleaning more efficient. Let's talk about the real-world experience. Setting this vacuum up was simple enough, no complicated instructions or difficult assembly. Once it was ready to go, I tested it out on a variety of surfaces. On hard floors, it picked up fine dust and debris without missing a beat. On carpets, it did an excellent job of lifting pet hair and embedded dirt. For those hard-to-reach places under furniture, the slim design made it easy to slide the vacuum underneath. And when it came to cleaning stairs or upholstery, the included attachments really came in handy, especially for getting deep into corners. But it's not all perfect. While the self-standing feature is convenient, it can feel a bit bulky when moving between rooms. The suction power in max mode can be intense, but it does come with a short battery life, which might be a downside if you have a larger area to clean. Also, the noise levels are higher in max mode, so if you're sensitive to sound, you might find it a bit loud. However, these are common trade-offs for higher suction power. As for the price, this vacuum offers a decent amount of features for what you're paying. The HEPA filtration, anti-tangle brush, and long runtime in eco mode make it a good value for anyone looking for a versatile, powerful vacuum that doesn't cost an arm and a leg. However, if you're looking for something with even longer battery life or quieter operation, you might want to explore higher-end models in this category. When comparing it to other cordless vacuums in the same price range, there are definitely options that come with similar features. Some models offer slightly better runtime in max mode, while others may have quieter operation or larger dustbin capacities. If you're willing to spend a little more, there are vacuums that might give you better performance on thicker carpets or longer runtimes. But for everyday cleaning tasks, this vacuum offers a solid mix of power, portability, and convenience. The build quality is solid, with most of the materials feeling sturdy and durable. The plastic parts don't feel cheap, and the connections between the wand and brush head are secure. The dustbin is easy to empty, and the filter system is simple to maintain. As for longevity, while I haven't had it for an extended period, the solid construction and ease of maintenance suggest that this vacuum could serve you well for quite a while. In terms of customer support, this model comes with a 2-year free protection plan and 24/7 after-sales service. While I haven't had to test out the support team personally, the offer of a no-worries after-sales plan is a reassuring factor. To wrap up, this vacuum is a solid option for anyone looking for a powerful, easy-to-use cordless cleaner with some thoughtful features. It's best suited for those with a variety of surfaces to clean, particularly homes with pet hair, allergy sufferers, and those who want a vacuum that can handle quick cleanups. If you're after something with a little more runtime in max mode or a quieter operation, there are alternatives out there. But for the price, it delivers great performance and plenty of useful features for everyday cleaning tasks. Thanks for watching. You can find the link to get your hands on this vacuum in the comments box below. If you've already tried it, or if you have any questions, drop a comment. I'd love to hear what you think. Goodbye till next time, and may your floors always be spotless.